Okay, my plan here is to build some slug defense. I have 3 beds here that are built and protecting them with wire. 2 strands circle the box all the way around, and at the moment I have this wired up to a 9-volt battery, and she's in there. The trouble is, let's have a look here what voltage we have. .25. So I installed this about 3 days ago, and the voltage of the battery keeps dropping, obviously. So in about a week it'll be dead. So what I plan to do is wire these 3 boxes together, because each one has these 2 strands that circumnavigate the boxes. And obviously when the slug comes up here, touches the first one, then hits the second one, and obviously doesn't go any further. So my plan is to wire these 3 up with a 32-volt old printer transformer. I've tested the first one, it works fine. It's a 32-volt DC. I mean, you can use a 24-volt AC would work too, depending on how long your run is. But any sort of voltage will work. 12-volt would work as well, depending on your length of your cable, where you're running to. I intend to string it up here, across the trees, or the branches of the trees, I mean. Down here, wire them 3 together, and then eventually this last one here, I'll have a LED that you'll be able to see at night that these 3 are on the power and protected. Last year we had everything growing in this little house in here, and everything was destroyed by slugs in the night. So we're going to give this a go here and see how we go. So let's move on. Okay, so I just dug a little trench in between. The wires connect to this box, go to this one. So let's connect them up. And of course my torch is out of gas. Let's come back. Should do it. Another thing is to test the boxes. Make sure you don't have a short anywhere. Otherwise you won't know where the short is. Test each box individually. These are metal edges, metal hinges in these corners, so I've had a few shorts here. Now it's good. Okay, let's crank up the solid line. Sounds better. Get it out of the way. Tin our wires. Come here. Nice and hot. Too hot. Does it really matter about the polarity? Okay. So that's connected to this one. And that'll connect to our line, going back up to our connection back up there. So we'll do the same on this side. Connect these two together. And Bob's your uncle, hopefully. Okay, let's check the voltage on this third box. .32 volts, lovely. So she's wired up, ready to go, full protection. Alright, let's see if we get some results. Like some fried slug. Okay, so here's the finished product, come out nice. Let's give this a go. And hopefully protect our berry plants. Berry trees? Berry plants. Whatever. Just an update on our passive slug defender. It's working quite well here. Nothing eaten. And we've got some nice growth on our little berry bush. So, I would recommend this one. Hey guys, just an update on the electric fence for the slugs. As you can see, all working well. It's actually oxidized a bit with the DC, so I changed it to AC. I've got a 24 volt AC transformer on there. You see the LED down here, still flashing away. So it's done well.